Lesson 202, Creating a Java Bean. So in this one we're going to create a project that's going to seem very simple, but it's going to be something we're going to use a lot later. So let's go ahead and create a new project. Make sure you select the Spring Initializer over on the left hand side and click Next. Now we're going to change the name to Spring Boot 202. I'm just going to copy it so that I can use it later. Hit Next. And the dependencies I'm going to select are Web and TimeLeaf. And select Next. Make sure they're selected on the right hand side and click Next again. And then I'm going to paste the project name in here. Once that's done, you click Finish. Let IntelliJ do its thing, and once it's finished doing all the imports for you, and then it might ask you, are you sure you want to import the changes? And the button should change to be Spring Boot 202 application, and we're ready to go. So all that we're going to do in this one is we're going to go into our application. So expand your project, expand the source folder, expand main, and expand Java, and we're going to right click on our package and create a new Java class called Song. And when that's done, we're going to type in the body of our bean, the body of our class. And it's a bunch of private member variables. And I'm going to cheat because I'm just going to copy and paste. And then once that's done, we're going to create our getters and setters. And rather than have to create them manually, we can just right click on our class and say generate. In IntelliJ we can right click anywhere. If you were using Eclipse, if I'm not mistaken, you would actually have to go to the name of the class and right click there. But either way, you click generate, getters and setters, and I'm just going to select all of them and click OK. Once that's done, you've created a Java Bean. This is a class that has the default constructor because that's built in. It's got a bunch of private member variables with public getters and setters. You'll use them all the time in Java, and it's a blueprint for all the objects created for that class. And that's the end of this lesson. Creating a Java Bean is just that simple.